Let's do this.
Alright, I want to come out here and show the pond some love. Look at this ice. This is an ice plant. Planted this and it's like not even a gallon, I want to
Backyard
say. It might have been a gallon. It's been a couple years, but these things do really well
One of these mornings.
in this climate. As you can see, something that spalls over the side.
Grow.
I don't know, maybe they like a little bit of the humidity and the heat. I just put it over here on a whim and it's doing great. Canna in the water, loves it. Mexican petunias are really great for ponds. But my idea is that this area kind of can provide some humidity and I can have some of my tropicals closer over this side, as well as I can use this water for the watering plants. I at least water the first watering of any of my plants from a jug. I use this water. Pond water is super beneficial. All that fish fertilizer and whatnot, and the extra oxygen. But yeah, ice plant.
One of these mornings.
And I decided to change some things up on this side. Got the little fishes, this umbrella plant that just, the thing does not die. Cut that all the way back to almost the roots every summer, every fall. Sunflowers doing what they do. Birds of paradise out here in full sun. This will all eventually just take over this whole area and to be a nice little shaded area. The leaves should keep the water from evaporating and whatnot. Ice plant just for looks. Got some of the tropicals bending over reaching out over this area. You can see here, this is all my tropicals. I keep them closer to the pond. And I'm just creating like a microclimate, a micro area, you know.
One of these mornings.
Sunflowers just come back every year. Mexican petunia looking fantastic. It spalls over just like the ice plant. And if I feed these, all this stuff takes off. Got all sorts of plants with bog filtration. And this will keep the water really clear. Catch the water on one of these. That's how you can either put it directly in the pond or use the flow. But I cannot stress how awesome this thing is at keeping the water clear. I have that plastic liner in the middle, and pretty much this thing is self-contained. Like it takes care of itself for the most part. I don't do too much. I am going to start adding some fertilizer to try to get some of these things raised. Between these bricks and this pond liner, I just filled it up with the soil I made. And I kind of made like a well so it's higher up so that my dogs don't get into it. Pretty sure if I had it on the ground, I'd have all sorts of issues. Sometimes you just gotta come out here and stare at it though, and all the life that it brings. I'm talking bees stop here to drink. All sorts of bugs. And I mean all sorts of bugs. Bugs will take care of all the infestations and things that other people might have. Worms and whatnot. If you provide a home that things want to stay in, it creates a great cycle. Like, I'm not a bug person. I had to get used to this because, but if these things have something to eat, something to drink, they'll stay. You know, there's predatory bugs that'll come and eat aphids and the worms, caterpillars, and things of that nature. Like, it all takes care of itself. I've grown to love praying mantises. These are probably one of the best things that I can have, and they come back every year. I bought some from, like, I don't know, Star Nursery or something, put them out here 2-3 years ago, and they've come back every year. And they really just take care of it. I haven't really seen any issues since I've had these here. I'm talking about, at one point I was seeing caterpillars and things like that on tomato plants and things. What eats those? These. Now I don't have to put pesticide out here, right? Like, it's a cycle of life. They gotta have things that they want to live in. They gotta have a supermarket. So these ponds, they do multiple levels of beneficiaries. I mean, I don't just see praying mantises. I see random things like this, just random spiders. But they take care of flies and and things like that, so I'm not mad at them. But then you can bring in some things like this. Like, I don't know how this happened. And I've only seen this once, but it does make me hesitant when I'm just sticking my arms in things. I'm still shocked how this happened. I literally put the hose down to add some water, and then all of a sudden I come back and there's a scorpion on the hose. Like, how does that happen? I'm hoping that the praying mantises and things will take care of this sort of issue. I haven't seen them, but you don't see them till you see them. Scorpions can be a major issue in desert climates. I mean, they're doing the same things, right? They need water and food, so if there's going to be a happy bug, they could be happy too, I guess. Just not in my area. I truly started to love these guys, though. But you truly have to stop and stare to see them. Do you see this one? Do you see it? I didn't see it, and my face was right next to it. I'm just gonna come in here. Now, do you see it? They're everywhere. And now when I say beneficials, I mean all beneficials. You make a complete ecosystem, and it's the best thing you could possibly do. I just don't know how you can't love this hobby. To me, this is one of the best ones to have. Let's grow.
Backyard Central.